The way you've been continuing to do online business in 2025 is completely wrong. You're wasting your time, literally. The new way to do online business is with AI. And if you continue to ignore it, you are going to be left behind and probably jobless. So if you don't want that to happen, you should probably keep watching. So let me ask you a question real quick. If your course is teaching me how to build an online course, but I can find the same information from ChatGPT for free, why would I buy your course? I'm sorry, Amy Porterfield, but I'm not paying $2,000 for your course on how to build digital courses when I can literally just go to ChatGPT and ask it how to build an online course using Amy Porterfield's framework. It'll give me the framework. It'll give me the information. So the reason I'm talking about this is because that's another way that online business is changing this year. Information is everywhere now. AI has access to infinite amounts of information from all of human existence. So what is your course, or what is your program, or what is your online business or product? Like, how is that going to solve somebody's problems if I can just get the information from a chatbot for free? This is how things are going to change. The information is no longer going to last if it's fluff. If you're just putting out the same regurgitated information that you learned from ChatGPT and packaging it into a course or whatever, or some online offering, it's not going to work anymore. I can get all that information for free. Yes, people will say, oh, well, courses package everything up. I'm not saying that courses are dying. I'm not saying that any online business is dying. If anything, the next few years, it's going to double and triple to almost $1 trillion. What I'm saying is that the information that you need to be giving needs to be revolutionary. It needs to actually create a transformation that they couldn't have gotten from ChatGPT or Grok or whatever AI tool they're using. This information that you're giving needs to actually make a difference for them. And that's the only way that you're going to last. So if you're creating fluff or you're just reiterating what everyone else is saying, you're not going to make it. So what am I saying that you even need to do here? Like, where do you even go from here? What is this new online business with AI that I'm talking about? Because you probably see a bunch of people using AI to create their businesses and make them better. But I'm not talking about making your current business better. I'm talking about creating an entirely new online business for this world. And what do I mean by this? What I'm talking about is creating mini products, a bunch of mini products that solve problems. I'm going to use vibe coding to create apps that solve problems for people. And I'm going to sell them. So for example, maybe I create an app that is a swipeable Tinder-like experience for people to discover new cryptocurrency coins. And then I put affiliate links everywhere. There's a small business for an app that I could create in about 30 minutes that will now bring me infinite income for years to come. And it's not something that I have to put an entire team behind. I don't have to create a whole marketing campaign, an entire website. I just create this one website with this one app, and I put affiliate links in there, and that's it. And I let it grow organically from SEO. I put ads to it, whatever. I just let it sit for the next 50 years. But I'm not talking about just making one app. I'm talking about having a collection of apps, like 500. I mean, if you make 500 different apps that all make you $100, that's $50,000 a month. Instead of trying to get to this online business that all these gurus talk about, where you are making $50,000 a month from this one SaaS product that you created, because everyone wants to create SaaS products right now because it's super easy to white label a SaaS product. And I've done it before. I've had a white label website builder for years. But unless you have the money, unless you have the time, unless you have the bandwidth to really focus every inch of your being on one business, it's a waste of time. Whereas I can create 50 different apps that solve 50 different problems, and tiny problems at that. Humans always have problems. Why not create a little mini app for it? Sell it, make a couple $100 a month from it, make another app, make another couple $100 from that, and move on and just keep adding this to your app portfolio. And it doesn't just have to be apps. There's going to be many other ways to create mini products that solve problems in this new world. And AI gets rid of the barrier to entry completely. So if you want to see the app that I created called Mansplain, which is basically just a way for women to understand what a guy's texts mean, check out this video right here. All right, much love.